Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to be changing out these Injora mud terrain tires. There's a few things I didn't like about them in our last run. I noticed that we're getting a lack of articulation because we're still getting body rub. These are the Injora shocks that I installed before the last run. So we finally got rid of those stock shocks. And now we have more articulation, but those tires are too big and they're hitting the body, so we're getting less articulation than I wanted. These are the tires that we're going to be putting on. Those are the Injora rock terrain tires. They're 58mm tall. These are the mud terrain tires that we have on right now. They're 63mm tall. Also, the Injora silicone inserts, these are the softest ones that they offer. I still thought the tire was a little bit stiff, even with the soft silicone insert. One more thing. With those silicone inserts in the mud terrain tires, I wasn't able to use the heavier trio rings. I like doing that in most of my rigs, even with the 10 scale trucks. Putting heavy rings in the front wheels seems to really get that forward weight bias that we all want. And with the stock foam, I was able to use the heavier rings in the new rock terrain tires, so that's good. Alright, I'm going to assemble the rest of these tires. We're going to put them on the Jeep. We're going to get back to the rocks today, and I'm going to find a few of those lines that we failed last time and see what we can do this time with the new tires. Alright, thank you for joining me today, everyone. Let's get to it. Quick view of the size difference between those tires. Rock terrains, mud terrains. Definitely say it looks better with the smaller tires. Quick final look on the bench before we go hit the rocks. Yeah, these tires definitely suit it a lot better. Alright guys, let's get out there. Well, I'm having a tough time finding lines for this one. The lines I did last time, I'm not seeing many of them. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep looking. I wanted to replicate some of the lines I did last time, the ones I wasn't able to do, to see if I could do them today. I can't find them. Alright guys, a few final thoughts about the new rock terrain tires that we're trying out on the rig. Definitely have a better compound than the mud terrain tires. So with these stock foams, we're also getting a better tire squish, more grip. Seems to be handling very well. These tires are definitely going to be staying on the rig moving forward. Also, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching today, guys.